Hi everyone, welcome to part 3 of my new school supplies drawing series. So, today we are going to draw a eraser. Then let's start. Here, I use a ruler. You can also use, it will be easy with ruler. Like these two lines and match them here and here. And I here use a marker pen to draw. If you like, you can use a pencil. If you use pencil to draw, you can erase your mistakes, but here I can't. But with marker pen lines, it's so much beautiful. Like this. Here. In this place, somewhat a curve shape. Let's draw it slowly, don't be quick. This is so much easy and suitable for beginners, kids, all art lovers. And I draw the word eraser like this. And add a line somewhat as a decoration in two corners like this. Here. So we finish our eraser drawing. Let's color it. I use color pencils to color. If you like, you can use pastel or any other colors. Firstly, I use light blue as a deep layer in this place. And here too as a deep layer. If you like, you can use as your favorite colors for this. In middle of it, I use orange color as a deep layer to light layer with starting in outlines like this. If you like, you can use dark blue also for this, because light blue and dark blue with together it's beautiful. But here I use orange color. And in this place also like that, deep layer to light layer with starting outlines. After that, I add yellow color as a deep layer all over there. In this place, firstly I use pencil lines like this. If you have a gray color pencil, you can use. And if you like pink or any other colorful colors, you can use, but here I didn't use. I only focus gray color and white color. Here I add white color all over there. You can use red color and pink color. If you like to a colorful eraser, you can use any colors. But normally we have white color, so I add white color. So we finish our eraser. I hope you enjoy. Thank you.